To enter a promo code in Pokémon Go, start by opening the Pokémon Go app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed to avoid any compatibility issues. Once the app is open, tap on the main menu button, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. In the main menu, scroll down and select the shop option. The shop is where you can purchase in-game items and accessories using real money or in-game currency. At the top right corner of the shop screen, you will see a box that says Enter Promo Code. Tap on the Enter Promo Code box to bring up the code entry screen. Here, you can enter your promo code using the on-screen keyboard. Type in the promo code exactly as it appears, paying close attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters, as well as any numbers or special characters. After entering the promo code, tap the Redeem button to apply the code to your account. If the code is valid and has not expired, you will see a confirmation message indicating what items or rewards you have received. These rewards can include in-game items, Pokeballs, or even rare Pokémon. Some important things to keep in mind when using promo codes in Pokémon Go include making sure the code is valid and has not expired, as well as being aware of any regional restrictions that may apply. Promo codes can be found on the official Pokémon Go website, social media channels, or through special events and promotions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily enter a promo code in Pokémon Go and start enjoying the rewards and benefits that come with it. Remember to always use caution when entering promo codes and never share your account information or login credentials with anyone.